Okay, Charlie, look at me, video time. Catch hold of your rope. That's it, pull the tiller towards you to stop that sail flapping. Oh, you're going to do a tack? Mind your head. Now remember, if your sail flaps, you're still being videoed. If your sail flaps, how do you stop it from flapping? With your tiller. Okay, so pull the tiller towards you a bit to stop the sail flapping. So pull the tiller towards you, and we're going to sail over towards that yellow boat. You see it?
No.
Straight ahead. Oh, you're just running aground a bit. Do you want to do a tack? Do a tack, Charlie. Yes, you can. Tacking.